In this video, we will show you how to replace your power steering pressure switch on this Honda Accord. This will be located directly on your power steering pressure line along the backside of the engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. You'll find that your power steering pressure switch is located right along the backside of the engine. It's in the power steering line. Once you have this unscrewed, there's the probability fluid will come out of here, so make sure you have a collection bucket so you can recycle that fluid properly. To start removing this, let's go ahead and grab onto the electrical connector. It has a locking tab. Go ahead and squeeze that in and remove it. Once you have it separated, give it a quick inspection. If you see any funny colors, that's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Ours looks fine, so we'll set it aside. Now we can start removing the power steering pressure switch. To do this, we'll be using 2 wrenches. A 17 to hold onto the power steering pressure line, and a thin 19mm wrench to start removing the switch. Let's start removing that switch. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new power steering pressure switch. Put this in position and start it in by hand. Continue on to bottoming it out and then tightening it. The torque for this is 8.7 foot-pounds, which isn't very much. Since I'm using wrenches, I'll just make sure it's nice and tight. Continue on to your electrical connector. Press it in and listen for a click. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. Get a nice click from that. That feels good. Now let's clean up our mess in the area. After that, we can continue on to starting up the vehicle, let it run for a little bit, and then double check that power steering fluid level. Once you've run the vehicle for a while, and you're sure there is no more air bubbles making its way through the system, we'll continue topping off the fluid. Looking along the side of the fluid reservoir, you'll find that you have 2 lines. Go ahead and top off that fluid up to the top line with the manufacturer specified fluid. Make sure that you reinstall your cap. Okay friend, we fully installed our power steering pressure switch. We also made sure that we topped off the fluid with the manufacturer's specified fluid. At this point, you just want to confirm that you have no power steering fluid leak from that pressure switch. Close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.